Your Excellency, once again, I want to thank you for granting us this opportunity to meet with you today. And thank you for the very warm reception. I want to say that we sincerely appreciate the peaceful and business-friendly environment that we've been enjoying during your administration, which has supported our operations and our continued investment in Ashaka and in Gombe State. We commend the progress recorded in urban renewal, infrastructure, and industrial development that is very visible, including the Muhammadu Buhari, Industrial Park, and your vision of positioning Gombe as an economic hub for the Northeast. Your Excellency, you are highly appreciated. Your Excellency, while we have transitioned from Lafarge Africa PLC, majority shareholder used to be Olsen Group, a Swiss company, and it's effective from September 1 last year, our majority shareholders was Wasin. And secondly, we're no longer called Lafarge Africa PLC. Today, we are called HBM Nigeria PLC, following our integration into Wasin Building Material Group. But our commitment to Gombe State remains unchanged. Your Excellency, Wasin Building Material Group, which we belong to, is a globally recognized manufacturer of building and construction and material. Founded in 1907, more than 115 years of experience in engineering, in cement manufacturing. They are based in Wuhan, in China, and the biggest business of Wasin is in China, and Nigeria happens to be the second biggest operation. They are present in about 16 regions, about 14 countries. In African countries, they have about 6 countries: Mozambique, Tanzania, Malawi, South Africa, Nigeria, and they intend to continue to expand. They've just acquired the business in the Philippines. They have business in Brazil, very big on aggregate. They are in Oman, they are in Nepal, and they are very bullish and very ambitious. Beyond cement manufacturing, Your Excellency, like I explained to you earlier, they are also into equipment manufacturing. So all the cement manufacturing equipment like your cooler, your kiln, they actually produce it. So we are going to benefit from equipment mastery and benefit from skills acquisition of young engineers in Nigeria. Your Excellency, becoming part of the Wasin Group marks an important new chapter in our growth, and it creates opportunities to further strengthen operations, excellence, innovation, sustainability, digital transformation, and investment in Nigeria. Since the announcements, you can see even our share price has more than tripled. It's doing very well. Investors, they believe very strongly, because we have been delivering strong results. But we have huge opportunity in Ashaka, and we call Ashaka Star of the North. Somebody told us today, the Deputy Governor says that it's actually the sun of the north, because the sun is higher than the star. So we are excited at the new phase that we are getting into. Ashaka Cement continues to operate as part of HBN Nigeria PLC, with the transition bringing stronger capabilities and opportunities for further investments. Your Excellency, we are here to reaffirm that HBM Nigeria PLC's long-term commitment to Gombe State. You can see all the executive members, we are all Nigerians. We are passionate about our country. We are passionate about Gombe. We are passionate about Nigeria. And truly, we want to make a difference. We seek the continued support of your administration as we deepen our investment and contribution to state industrial development. Our ongoing investment in the expansion and upgrade of Ashaka cement plant reflect our confidence in Gombe State and our commitment to strengthening local manufacturing capacity. By God's grace, January 2027, we're going to commission our new plant in Gombe. We are expanding, adding additional capacity of 2 million tons in Gombe. The stock capacity we had before was 1 million tons, but the production, we've struggled. So the supply has not been consistent. Last year, I think we did just slightly below 500. And at some point, Ashaka Cement was making losses. But with this new investment, supply will be consistent, business will boom, transporters would invest in trucks, more business for them. Customers, their profit story will be good. Then in terms of the restrictions that we have, because today we can't even fully supply Gombe and some part of North, with the 2 million tons, we will make sure that the Northeast will be our priority. And if the opportunity opens, we can even go as far as Kano. So this means a lot of things for the people of Gombe and the people of Nigeria. It means there will be more employment opportunities, there will be more supply opportunities, there will be more contracts, the youth will be empowered. In terms of our CSR intervention, there will be more opportunities. When it comes to skills acquisition, especially for our young engineers, particularly with what we have demography in Nigeria, where almost 70% of population are below 30s. You know, our cement business can be an incubator for skills acquisition. Manufacturing is the bedrock of industrialization, and we want to be, partner with Gombe State government to start that journey. With this JAPA syndrome, a lot of engineers, they've moved. Our first level engineers are in Canada, they are in England, they're in America. And what we're seeing what they're doing, they've brought in their engineers. So the skills acquisition program, we're going to go very aggressive on this, so that beyond sort of bringing a lot of engineers from abroad, but we can have a very solid, skillful, indigenous engineers. Your Excellency, beyond our core operations, we are also focused on creating job opportunities, supporting local businesses and contributing to sustainable development in our host community. Your Excellency, the feedback you've given us privately, very well taken. Thank you so much for your transparency. Thank you so much for your humility and for your openness. Feedback well taken. But I would like to also highlight some of the things in terms of intervention that we have done so far. The business has been, I would say, responsible to some extent over the years. And I'd like to highlight some of the things that we've done, not to say that we shouldn't do more, we can do more. In Gombe State, when it comes to employment generation, we're the second after the state government. We give bursaries to 250 students in tertiary institution, majorly from the host community, Funakaya. We've given full scholarship to currently 75 boarding secondary school students at FGGC Vadjoga. 15 additional students every year, all from the host communities. The company recently sponsored some students' trip to Lagos for competition, and these children, they did very well, making Gombe very proud. Fertilizer distribution and seeding to the communities at subsidized rates. Company subsidized fertilizer by 75%. We've built classrooms in the communities over the years, built rural roads, bridges, connection, electricity over the years, free consultation and medication at the plant clinic in Ashaka. Training of technicians at the plant from Gombe State. The communities really now benefit from the company's periodic scrap allocation, other support to the communities during festivities. Capacity expansion means more, like I've said, more prosperity coming to the state's economy. Interested to know that this is coming during Your Excellency time as governor, and by God's grace, you will come to Ashaka and commission our new plant in January. Your Excellency, we are progressing with the expansion of the Ashaka cement plant, like I've said. I'm not going to, describe the benefits more than what I've said, but it's an exciting period for us because we can see. I'm going to be in Ashaka tomorrow to inspect some of the work that's been done. You have close to 1,000 people in that site, making sure that by January, by God's grace, we'll cut the tape, and officially we will start distributing cement. But there's a lot of work that needs to be done. You need to move 2 million tons of cement. You need more trucks. You need more trucks. You need more transporters. You need more customers. You need more people. You need more salesmen. You need more people in the plant that will produce. So it's an exciting period for us, for we Nigerians and the community. As Your Excellency continues to drive infrastructure development across the state, HBM remains ready to support this effort with quality, locally manufactured cement and building solutions. We would appreciate the state government's continued support in encouraging the use of locally manufactured products in state projects. And I must especially thank the governor for this beautiful edifice, really beautiful. There was no other cement used apart from Ashaka cement. Ashaka cement. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. We appreciate that, and we are looking forward even to a stronger support in the future. In terms of local content and economic participation, as our investment grows, we tend to deepen the participation of indigenous contractors, suppliers, transporters, and service providers across our value chain. This will help retain more economic value within Gombe while supporting local enterprise development and job creation. Our commitment to Gombe extends beyond manufacturing through our agricultural ecology program. We support farmers in Ashaka and Mangaga and will continue to support them. We'll continue to strengthen initiatives that improve livelihoods, support food security, and contribute to sustainable rural development. We value the continued support of Your Excellency. We value the continued support of the Gombe people in maintaining a secure and enabling environment. This is very important. You can have beautiful plants, but if the environment is not peaceful, it will be impossible. And I want to thank you once again, Your Excellency, for creating an enabling environment for the business to operate. So as the Ashaka production line progresses towards completion, we've officially invited you to please come and cut the tape. So just to close, Your Excellency, we appreciate your time. We appreciate the opportunity to engage with you today. Thank you for your candid feedback. Thank you for your transparency and your humility. HBM Nigeria remains committed to Gombe State and to strengthening local manufacturing, creating jobs, supporting agriculture, and contributing to sustainable economic development. We look forward to continued collaboration with the Gombe State government as we deepen our investment in Ashaka and work together to create greater opportunities for the people of the state. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you for your leadership and for your continued support. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, the Group Managing Director and CEO of HBM Nigeria PLC, Mr. Lolu Alade Akinyemi. At this point in time, it is my singular honor and privilege to hand over the mantle to His Excellency the Governor to respond. Your Excellency, sir.
Let me begin by thanking God Almighty for getting once again an opportunity to have an interaction with the management of Ashaka Cement or HBM. As far as this one is concerned, we are more Ashaka, but if you are HBM, we agree to take you as HBM. And I must express the profound gratitude of all my team that are here, and as well welcome you on behalf of the entire people of Gombe State. And thank you for the robust discussion. I must warn that we took so long in the inner chamber thrashing some issues that would have made me to throw fire here, but somehow we are able to have some grounds to agree. So I want to appreciate you for 2 or 3 things. One, the expansion, the recent expansion that you made, that you are about to conclude, and also that will help in bolstering your operations and expanding on all, not the opportunities. You said opportunities, but I think opportunities have to go with some responsibilities. I must express the fact that it takes two to go together. So as you expand, you must also consider the basic responsibilities that you owe to the people, and especially to the local environment in which you are producing and operating. And that could be in so many ways, which you know. If you want, I can enunciate and add, but I don't think there is need for that. And in addition, also to guarantee you that as long as you operate and you operate in a way that the people are well impacted and your operations are helpful, definitely the sky is the limit. This expansion may not even be enough. At the time, I was the advocate of you dominating, in fact, not only the northeastern market, but the entire northern market, because Ashaka has been here for nearly 50 years. I'm happy that you are all Nigerians here, and I'm more happier because 75 or 80% of them are women. And women, even though on my side here is only one woman you can see, but it's only because I brought those people that are really relevant to the discussion of today. So I'm happy that you are expanding and the operations may get better, but I want to task you as well to deliver more on the corporate social responsibility side of your own operations, so that we go together, because we owe it a duty to deliver at least good living to the people of Nigeria, wherever they are, and we are all Nigerians. So consider the people. The people should be first before anything else. Make more profit, but help the people. That is my task, and that is my ask. And I want to ensure that at least, and guarantee you that on our part, as the government and the people of Gombe State, we are ready to go with you, as long as you also discharge your own responsibilities and positively. I welcome you all. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so very much, Your Excellency, the Governor of Gombe State. I think there is a presentation to be made to His Excellency by the Group Managing Director of HBM Nigeria PLC. So please make the presentation. Okay. Oh, okay. That was that. Okay. Yes, this one here. Thank you.